Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a BMW, guys, 3 Series generation 2005-2013. This should cover E90, E91, 92 and E93 as well. And we'll show you if you have the electric vacuum pump, where to find the fuse. Now, not very many people, not very many vehicles will use that electric vacuum pump. Most of them will have the mechanical vacuum pump. In our case, we have a mechanical, but if you have the electrical vacuum pump, we'll show you where to find the relay. That generation BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes, so yours might be different. Always double check everything. We'll have more than 200 videos on E90, BMW E91, 92, so please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below. So we need to open the glove box now. Okay, and let me show you on the inside. Okay, those round things, you need to turn them up, like that, 90 degrees. Okay, one on this side, and that cover will come off. Okay, just like that, you can see. Now, ours is a 2006 build date, so let me show you where the fuse will be, if you have that one, where the fuse will be for the vacuum pump relay. Now, in our case, okay, each fuse, okay, just like that, it's fuse number 68, okay, number 68, and 68, if you go on the bottom now, okay, you can see those big fuses, the very last row right here. 68 will be the 4th fuse from left to right, and you count even if you have a hole, missing fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see ours is missing. This is because our vehicle is not equipped with electric vacuum pump. Ours is mechanical, so that's where it is located, right there. If you have that fuse, it will be right there. So all we have to do, I'll just demonstrate on the one next to it. Okay, you just grab it, okay, and pull it out. Okay, grab it with your fingers, pull it out. Okay, and you're going to check the element on the inside. Okay, if it's broken or not, you can see it usually like that. This one is good, otherwise here it will be burnt in the middle. And we'll go ahead and push it in. Now again, I demonstrated on the fuse next to it, not on the one that we should. When you are ready, all we have to do, get your cover, install it. Okay, right here it needs to be aligned really good, and turn those things, okay, 90 degrees until you lock them in place. Okay, like that. And you're ready to close the glove box, and that will be all, guys. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.